Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be looking at how you can simply do the buy and the sell while trading cryptocurrency coin, being it on Bybit, Binance, or any other exchange. So follow me from the beginning of this very video to the end, so that by the end of this very video you will be able to understand how you can simply execute your positive and negative trade, how you can simply execute your buy and also your sell trade. Okay, these two are very important, most especially for the crypto beginners. Okay, they are very important, most especially for the crypto beginners. So without waste of time, let's dive into this to see how exactly it works. And don't forget, before you can do this, make sure you first have some fund on your wallet, because without having money in your wallet, you will not be able to trade. So if you have some fund in your wallet, first you just need to transfer the fund from the unified trading, from the funding wallet to the unified trading account. Okay, you need to transfer this, you need to transfer the fund, transfer it from the funding wallet to the unified trading account. I've made a video about that far in the past. Okay, so the moment you make this transfer, you can just come back to this place, make a choice of a particular coin you want to trade, and go on to execute your trade. So there is it. I'll first make a choice of the coin I want to trade. I want to trade SAT coin. Okay, now watch it carefully. You want to trade SAT coin. Sometimes you might see up here, sometimes you might see this place to be on limit. It will be written limit. Okay, all you just need to do is to change it from limit by clicking this arrow to market. That is on an occasion that you want your trade to be executed instantly. Look at this. Click on this place. Now sometimes you can see it on limit like this. Okay, you can see it on limit like this. Click on this little arrow down here to choose market, so that your transaction could be executed immediately. Okay, so I can execute your transaction immediately. So if you come to this place, this is what you do. Okay, if you come to this place, you're going to click on here to impute the total amount of this particular coin you want to use to buy. Maybe we want to use 30 USD, or maybe we want to use 5 USD. Okay, if you want to use 5 USD, then it's fine. All right, and if you want to use 10 USD, it depends on how much you have to trade with. Okay, if you want to use 10 USD, then it's okay. You just have to come to this place to click on impute your 10 volume here. You can see it was imputed here. Impute your 10 volume here, then come to this place to click on buy. If you click on buy, it's going to show you, give you the review. Okay, if you click on buy, it will give you a review. So let's click on buy. So if you click on buy, this is where exactly is bringing us. Okay, we're simply doing how to buy and sell. We have dropped a video on how to set your stop loss. In case you ask, okay, what about the stop loss? All right, there is a video about it. I'll also drop it in the description section of this very video. So all you just need to do is to come to this place. This is what you're going to get in equivalent with 10 USD. Okay, this is your 10 USD. You're going to use 10 USD to purchase this. So you're going to still continue to click on buy. If you click on buy, your trade will be executed immediately. You can come to this place now. So if you click on buy here, you can see your trade is executed right now, and this is the quantity that you have been given. Okay, so this is the quantity. This is the quantity that you have been given. All right, and it's equivalent to 9.99. You know why? It's because the simple gas fee has been deducted. Okay, so the same thing if you want to sell. Okay, it's actually the same thing if you want to sell. All right, if you want to sell, it's the same thing. You're going to come to this place, click on this, impute your total volume, impute your total volume that you're seeing here, impute it here, or you click on this place to drag it to this place and click on sell. If you click on sell, it's still going to show you the review as it showed you before. Then you're just going to continue and also click on sell. So the moment it's been sold successfully, you come back to this place, click on buy, and your USDT will be available right here for you to cash out, or for you to do whatever you want to do with. And if you want to cash out, all you just need to do is to still go back to your asset to transfer it from the unified trading account to funding wallet. Then you can go to your P2P or withdraw it to any other exchanges of your choice. If you understand this video, please do well to notify me at the descriptive section. Let me know that yes, you understood this very video. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Thank you for being with me from the beginning to the end. If this is your first time, do not forget to subscribe, like also, and as well share our video so that a lot of people can finally gain value from this. Okay, so thank you so much. I will see you in my next video. Bye.